Here's the assembly of the panels. So I wanted to show you how this works. I start off, this is the panel with the glue rolled on it. I roll the glue on there, and then do that. Rub it from the inside out. This canvas, I washed this. I pre-washed this because I had some shrinking problems with the with that last batch, and so I'm hoping that does it. It's a pain to have to wash it, so it's a little bit more wrinkled than usual. So I rub it in, rub that down. That's actually my surface. That's my surface. I'm going like this. I'm just using plain old Elmer's glue. Any kind of white glue. That's still in the seam there. Is that, you still see that? Where? A lot of those. It doesn't matter. If it's the back, it doesn't really matter. Okay, then now I'm going to glue up a piece of pre-cut. Piece of Kraft paper, like pre-cut, and then a template. And roll that. And just take a minute. You can't see it. Again, I smooth it out from the inside out. Get that all down. I think the glue on both sides helps keep it flat. That's my hunch. Anyways, that's the panel. Take a little piece of tape. And that's it. Then it goes into a stack. Thanks for watching.